won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me strong.